Good morning, dear students. So, from chapter number 11, Surfing Internet, I'm going to explain you that how you can create your own blog. Okay, as I explained you in the class, for creating a blog, first of all, you need to make your Gmail account. It's mandatory. Okay, it's compulsory. Without a Gmail account, you cannot create your blog. So, first of all, you need a Gmail account. Okay, if you have, then it's done. Okay, and if not, then you have to create it. Okay, then for creating a blog, open website www.blogger.com. okay, and then click on this link. Okay, after this you have to log in from your Gmail account. Okay, so I'm choosing this my Gmail account. I'm logging from this. Okay, so I have logged in from my Gmail account here. As I have created one blog for sample. It's blank. Okay, but as you create a blog, so it looks like this. Okay, and for creating a new blog, just create on new blog option. It will ask you for the title. This title means about which you are going to create your blog. So any topic you can give according to you, according to the content of your blog, like my review. Okay, my reviews, this is the title of my blog. Then you have to specify the address, your own URL you have to give. It should be unique. Okay, so by default it takes the blogspot.com domain name, so you can give any unique address you can write. Okay, so I'm taking my title URL. I'm writing my reviews. My reviews is not accepting this, so I'm just adding some numbers in it. 1986. Okay, this blog address is available. Okay, so this is my URL. Click on the save option. Okay, it's processing. Okay, so a blank blog has been inserted. Okay, you can click on this view blog option to see how many blogs you have created here. Okay, as you all can see, my reviews. Okay, so it's a blog. Only title is there because I didn't add any content in this blog, so that's why it's just looking blank. Okay, and now I'm just closing it. Okay, now so after creating the blog, if you want to post anything in your blog, so just click on the new post option. So this kind of page will appear here. So here you can write whatever you want to share in the blog. So I'm just writing a simple message. Okay, first I have to I'm just increasing the font size to largest. Okay, hi everyone. Hope you all are okay. Hi everyone. In my blog, I'm going to share my reviews on new I remember my cell phone number, so I'm just writing Oppo A83. okay. So this is my simple message. Okay, first your content should be prepared in your mind. Okay, so as I have nothing special to share right now, so I'm just writing this message. Okay, so like you all have worked in MS Word and any other word processors, so you know how to type in this. Okay, and you can also insert pictures. You can upload from your PC if you have. Okay, so for showing you, I'm just selecting a picture from this. Okay, I don't have many good pics. Okay, I'm sharing this sample picture of this one. Okay, uploading is completed. Now click on select option. This image is here. You can increase and decrease the size according to you, and image is inserted. Okay, actually मुझे insert करना चाहिए था the pic of Oppo A83, but right now I don't have. This is only for showing you, and by these options you can align your picture left, right and anywhere. And at the last, click on this publish option. Okay, make it confirm. Okay, so now see, earlier I published this one, now I published this one. Okay, so 2 posts are there in my blog. You can view your blog by this view blog option. You can see here my reviews, and this is the blog I shared. Okay, this is the previous one which I shared, and this is the one which I shared right now. Okay, and so in this way you can add many posts in your blog. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to create a blog. Okay, but just use it in a limited way. It was just showing you that how you can create a blog. Okay, don't spend more time with it. Focus on your studies. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye.